In this lesson, we will understand what are indexes component of LangChain. Let us see. If you want to store data in a way that allows efficient and quick retrieval of data, then use the indexes. In a similar way, indexes in LangChain are tools for organizing and storing data that enables efficient retrieval and search. They make it easier to find relevant information quickly and act as a structured repository for documents and embeddings. Here are the two types of indexes, vector and document. The vector indexes store numerical representations, that is embeddings of text, to enable semantic search and similarity based retrieval, like a library FAISS for efficient similarity search of dense vectors. The second type is document. It stores raw documents or text chunks like a database of PDFs or articles indexed by title, author or topic. Why are indexes important? For retrieval based tasks, these are really important and enables systems to quickly find and use relevant information. These are important for building efficient applications which are scalable. If you're dealing with large data sets or complex queries, then the index component really helps. Guys, we saw what are the indexes component of LangChain. We also saw the types of indexes.